What are you holding, Ellie?
I'm holding a battery gun and a cute baby monitor bird that was found last night when the storm was happening. Here's my bird. Here's a cute little bird. He's totally scared of Mr. Miner. And there is the little baby. He likes pets. He likes pets. And he's like, nope, I'm not going near him. Hi. Oop. Sorry.
Can you cut in quarters?
Quarters, Ellie.
Quarters.
Yeah, one more. That's it.
Wait. Up. Nah.
I think he will stop now. I think he's full. He's full. So you have to wait.
He's so hungry. It's like, he's so cute. Hi, baby. Oh, he looks good in birds.
How do you find him?
Oh, I found him on the side of the road.
Yeah, he was a baby, isn't he?
Here's poor Bertley.
Yep.
Like, I'm grooming myself. I'm grooming myself. I'm grooming. It's like, give me food. Pep. It's like, seriously, is that a bird? Great bird. Squeak is like, I'm going on a free ride with a big giant dog. Well, there's so many spots to lay on. And I'm hungry. And I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm just going on a free ride with the dog. And why is the dog not moving? Hi there.
You're gonna come to me now. You come to you or come to me?
Don't you guys love me? And me too. I'm a dog. I'm a bird. I'm a dog bird. Na 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 but put on me, Daddy.
This bird doesn't scare Pepper at all.
Dad, the poop. He like squeaks. Aww.
It's good that Pepper doesn't bite on you, right? He just want to sniff them.
Yay! That was so cool. Did you take a picture of that?
Video.
Hey, Daddy, you've got a birthday coming up. I like that one, Chris. Where's your little singlet? Chris, you going to pick a lip gloss for yourself as well? In my brain, my thoughts are running in a circle like
But they get used to it.
like a perfect picture with a broken frame. I know exactly.
Who?
Oh, poop. Don't move.
Who? Who's the one that pooped?
Bird.
Who pooped, Dad? Did Squeaks? Squeaks?
Why squeaks poop a lot?
No.
Don't move.
No. Dad, French with me. 90 birds is sweet. 30 degrees. Nick, wait.
Now there's a devil on my shoulder with an
Queen of men. Wait. The Queen of men. I prepared. Leaders are talking about.